Well, hello my YouTube peeps. So, trying to do this epoxy flooring. It's been a struggle. I've watched like 1,000 YouTube videos. So for all those that have posted their DIY epoxy, thank you for doing that. But now it's my turn. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Remember, this is DIY, so hopefully I'm crossing my fingers that it comes out okay. So here we go. All right, so I bought the epoxy shield from Home Depot. It was around $71. This, just so you know, this is my investment property. I am trying it in the bedroom first, and I've also sealed up the concrete cracks and did some etching already of the concrete, but there's an etcher that comes with this. So what is needed is the 3/8 nap, your, I don't know what you call these, but these are painter holders. And then I use like a broom thing so I could, you know, again, this is DIY, y'all. And then somewhere to put the actual color, and a bucket, and then my mop. So according to the box, this is what the kit includes: the concrete etch, decorative chips, the epoxy burst pouch, and the sheet. And the application looks pretty simple to use, so we shall see. Prepare surface, knead, and then trim outer edges. So they make it look easy, but we shall see. So as you can see, I have the etch. I have the, what do you call it? These colorful decorative chips. And then here's the actual epoxy, which I'm gonna open up. And then the instructions. Okay. So this is required, this is the etch, and then this goes in the gallon, or the bucket, I should say. 2 gallons of water with this, but because this room is small, this room is only, it's less than 200 square feet. This epoxy is for 200 square feet and more, I believe. So I'm only gonna use half of the etch, and then I'm gonna also fill this up to the top with water. And by the way, I also taped the trims because I just did the trims are brand new, so I don't want them to get damaged. And in other videos, so you're supposed to be wearing gloves. I only have these clear gloves to use right now, and then also goggles, and then the breather thing, mask, and rubber boots, I believe. So I don't have all that, honestly, so I'm just gonna do it on the fly. I'm tired of this floor already. I've been working with this floor for a week, and I'm just exhausted. I just wanna get it done and over with. So I did it, you know, not all the way. I said probably maybe 3/4 of the way up with the half of etcher. And then this flooring is supposed to be all wet, but I'm just gonna like kind of mop it with this and then dry it up. That's my method. So not 100% it's gonna work, but we'll try it. So, step 2, once that's all clean and done, they say that you have to, well, the instructions say that you have to knead these 2 things. This is, there's part A and there's part B. This is, I don't know if you can see that, part A, and this is part, this is so hard to see, but you get it, part B. And you're supposed to just knead each section. I guess maybe like if there's any clots or some sort, I'm assuming, I don't know, but I'm kneading away. Now I'm gonna sing. Okay, no, I'm not gonna sing. Okay, here comes the hard part, which is putting this into here, because you have to mix part A into B. And according to the instructions, it just says, roll the A side of the pouch towards the B side to burst and mix the two components. So, do it this way, or, oh my gosh. And that did the trick, I believe, because now everything is gone from the A side. I just literally just punched it. And then everything now is in this B pouch. And then now I guess mix it a little, shake it like a little chicken or turkey. And then mix it into there. Okay, next I'm going to cut this on the corner. And then dump it into here. There we go. I'm not gonna do all of it because it's not a big space. So maybe half. That's what I'm going to do. I think that's about half right there. Okay. The next part is a little tricky because I'm not sure, I'm not sure when I need to add these little decorative things. And by the way, I did a little secret ingredient called glitter because I heard that it makes it a lot nicer, so we shall see. Make sure you read the instructions thoroughly because it has like temperature, like if you're at 70 degrees, what time you should apply it. If you're at 85 degrees, when's the best time? 15 minutes are already gone by. So, okay, so there it is right there. I'm just gonna start rolling. And go from there. The decorative chips actually go in after you've rolled it out. So this is, it's like painting, really. That's what it feels like. Now I get super coated, super coated as best I can. My thing is the edges. Okay, I'm throwing on the decorative chips as I go because once I leave the room, I can't go in and be doing this. So it doesn't make any sense. So I'm actually just kind of throwing them here like this, which is kind of hard to see, obviously. So there you go. Just kind of throwing them on before this whole thing pretty much dries out, you know? And I guess there's really no wrong way or right way to do this because as I'm doing this, it just kind of looks like I'm just kind of sprinkling it all over, you know? Just to kind of make it even. So, just gotta make sure it doesn't bunch up because in some spots it kind of bunches it. But it covers the floor excellent. I mean, can't really see, you know, the before and after. As well, so far so good. It looks nice and shiny. I really like it. I definitely recommend using the decorative little additives that it comes with, because like you can see that crack right there. You can kind of see it in there, but because it has the little mixture in there of flakes and stuff, you can't really tell. Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. It's drying, but it looks awesome. So 24 hours later, let's see how the epoxy did. I actually touched it and it still feels kind of wet. Not completely, kind of semi-dry, but I definitely need like another day for it to be 100% dry. Like tile wear, that's like a line there and a little square there. But overall, it looks great. It's super shiny. You can kind of tell the little glitter things in them, but I actually bought a different glitter thing. So the secret ingredient, which is glitter, they were kind of like sprinkles. So I went to Michael's because I still have the rest of the basement to do, and I got this, which are like flakes instead of like the, you know, the small little particles, little circle things. So we'll try this and see what happens. Well, that's on the next one. Hope you like this video. I'm gonna show you the before and after on the other side. And if you have any questions, let me know. Follow me on Insta. I do stories on there all the time, or Facebook Live as well. See you soon. Don't forget, subscribe.